Okay, so you can adjust the brightness. This is how you set the time. You just pick one alarm, press and hold, and you can pick the time and the hours that you need. Push it again for the minute. Now you can go through and pick the sound. And you can pick the duration of the alarm. And you can pick the brightness you want it to wake you up with.
Okay. Some of y'all might be wondering how to like change the colors. So you turn it on and then voila. This is so cool. You double press on the LED light. Back to normal. And the radio, to change it, you turn it on. Change stations. You hold the plus volume.
This company is awesome. I had a previous version of this for, I guess now, a year and a half. I bought it back in January of 2022. It went dead a few months ago, and I finally got around to reaching out, and they believe in their product and they believe in awesome customer service, and she sent me a new one, and they got a customer for life. So definitely proud to give them a awesome 5-star review. So far so good. It's going well. The kids set it up. It has some great new features, it looks like, where you can hit snooze up at the top, more buttons on the side. So it's just a cool little alarm clock that allows the kids to wake up gradually. Has a radio feature, has multiple alarms, has a dimmer, and they can connect to their phones as well. So thank you so much to Three Ducks.
Alright, so I got this new alarm clock. I went ahead and set the alarm for 1820. That's why you see the light on, because it actually starts to brighten up. I set it for 10 minutes before the alarm goes off. So you have your buttons here on the side. You can increase this is to set the timer. This is your alarm 1, then you have another alarm over here. This is to set your time. You just press and hold basically until it flashes, and then you adjust with this knob up here. It also has this little music function button over here, and I don't know if it's for like sleeping, but either way. So I have the alarm set for 1820, so we will see how it is. I actually really like it because it starts off really light, pretty soft, and then it just will gradually get louder and louder. I think there's about 8 different tones or so. But yeah, you can set them for different, doesn't really show here, but each alarm you can set for different, like Monday through Friday or just Saturday and Sunday. So my alarm should be going off, but it's not. It didn't do it right. Let's just, okay, maybe I set it for 20. Okay. So it's just gonna be another minute. I don't know if you can tell, it seems like it's getting a little brighter. Then eventually, I have it, I think, set to the brightest. So I think it's closer to the time to wake up. It's gonna be pretty bright. As you can see, it's changing. And then there it goes. You can hear it's pretty soft. And then next go, it's going to get louder. It's quite loud, so I think it's pretty good. I have no complaints. Then to just snooze it, just press the button on the top. And then I believe you have to just press the alarm button just to shut it off completely. But seems to be pretty good, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
So I thought I'd give a quick little overview of everything this product has to offer, because I saw all of it listed on Amazon, but I think it's cool to see exactly how it works. So right now it obviously has the time and an alarm set for the morning that goes off every morning. I have this right here, which is my reading light at night, and you can adjust the brightness accordingly. If you want it really bright or more of a warm glow, you can do that. On the top, you have a snooze button. On the side, there is an FM radio. So I can put on the radio and adjust the volume. There's also a nighttime setting, so I can put that on and a light will come on. I can set a timer and different sounds can play. So that's obviously rain. And then for the alarm clock, super easy to set things. Right now I have 8:25. This is the sound that I wake up to, but you can choose different sounds: radio, piano, nature sounds, a lot of different options. And then you choose the volume and the light you want to wake up to that simulates the sunrise. And I have mine go off 20 minutes, or the sun start rising 20 minutes before I get up. And it's that easy to set. And there's also an option for 2 different alarms. So if you have someone else around, you can set 2, or if you feel like you won't wake up to the first one, or you turn it off, or snooze too much, then you can have the second one set as well. Anyway, absolutely great product, and I would strongly recommend.
Okay guys, here is the nightlight I bought because your girl obviously cannot wake up in the morning for whatever reason. So this is an awake alarm clock. So it actually wakes you up with light and sound. It is rechargeable, which is awesome. So it can detach from the charger if you need that. But basically you set the alarm, it's super easy to set up, and you can turn on the mood light if you just want the light. But when you wake up in the morning, it'll have this bright in your face like sunlight, and it's supposed to help you wake up. So I'm going to try it out and let you know what I think, but I think it's going to be a game changer for me.